Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming your home network supports a 2.4 GHz band and note the exact SSID and password. Blink cameras do not use 5 GHz. Power each camera with 4 AA lithium batteries and insert batteries into the sync module if you own one. New lithium cells maximize expected multi-year life. Position the sync module where it has clear line of sight to both the router and the cameras, ideally within 100 ft, to reduce interference and improve pairing success. Open the Blink app on your phone, create or sign into your Blink account, and tap Add System to begin. Name the system to simplify device management. To pair a sync module, press and hold its button until the LED flashes, then follow an app prompts to connect it to your 2.4 GHz network. For cameras, select Add Camera, scan the QR code or type the MAC address, wait for the camera LED to pulse, and confirm the camera appears in your system list before moving to the next unit. After cameras appear in the app, check each device's settings and apply firmware updates immediately to ensure stability and security. The app will prompt firmware installs. Configure motion detection, set sensitivity between 25% and 75% depending on traffic, and create armed schedules so cameras only record when needed. Test live view and review RSSI signal values. If reception is weak, reposition a camera, move the sync module closer, or add a Wi-Fi extender until the signal is consistently strong and recordings trigger reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.